Now, as Tết approaches, Vietnamese families gather to prepare traditional festive feasts to honor their ancestors. But today's fast-paced life leaves many, especially young adults, with little time to cook these dishes themselves.
Yes, and in the final days before the holiday, Tết cooking classes have emerged to meet this need, drawing growing numbers of participants. Our reporter Minh Ha has more.
Boiled chicken, fried spring rolls, bamboo shoot soup, and jellied meat, classic dishes in the traditional Vietnamese Tết feast, have become so unfamiliar to many young people today. That is why this cooking class is attracting many learners eager to reconnect with these festive dishes.
Arriving early at the class, Khánh Linh, a student in Hanoi, listens attentively as the teacher explains how to prepare a traditional Tết feast. In previous years, she only helped her mother. Now, Linh has enrolled in this class to learn how to confidently cook a complete Tết meal for her family.
In previous years, I usually helped my mother prepare traditional dishes for Tết. These dishes are difficult to cook, so I never had the chance to cook a full meal on my own. However, I feel that these are very familiar dishes to Vietnamese people, so I wanted to learn how to prepare them.
Girls aren't the only ones signing up. Quốc Khánh has also enrolled in the class. Having grown up on meals his parents prepared, he now sees cooking as an essential skill for independent living.
When I lived with my parents, they did most of the cooking. Now that I have decided to live on my own, I see that cooking skills are truly essential in everyday life.
This Tết season, Chef Lê Mộc Long's class has doubled in size from last year. Most participants are students and office workers, aged 21 to 30, keen to learn through hands-on practice.
Many young people are not yet familiar with traditional Tết dishes, and they want to learn more. Today, one student surprised me by rolling spring rolls perfectly neat and even. After just a few sessions, they can already apply these skills to other dishes.
After a busy year, Tết offers families a chance to reunite, and the Tết feast helps strengthen those bonds.
This Tết, I want to prepare a few dishes for my family so that my parents can feel proud that I'm able to take care of myself. It makes the atmosphere of Tết feel warmer and more meaningful.